Brainy Kids Buddies on Brainykids TV.
Uh-oh, look around today. Toys and books are in the way. Who will win? Let's find out. Clean up battle, shout it out. Toys on the floor, blocks everywhere. Stuffed bears flying through the air. Pick them up, don't be slow. Ready, set, go, go, go. Big green T-Rex stomps the ground. Robot spins with whirring sound. Left side, right side, make it bright. Clean that room with all your might. Pick it up, put it away. We can make it neat today. Work real fast but have some fun. Cleaning time has just begun. Clean up, let's all cheer. Make the messy room disappear. T-Rex roars, robot zooms. Who will clean these messy rooms? Faster, faster, don't slow down. Pick those toys up off the ground. Clap your hands and shout hooray! We can clean it up today. Books on shelves, clothes in a pile. Fold them neat in tidy style. Blankets straight and pillows high. Make that messy mountain fly. Robot scans with laser light. T-Rex tries with all his might. Oops, a sock falls on the floor. Pick it up and try once more. Sort it right, trash or bin. Try again, you'll always win. Don't give up, just do your part. Cleaning with a happy heart. Clean up, race the clock. Beat the mess and beat the shock. 10, 9, 8, count it down. Spin around and tidy town. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cleaning up is so much fun. Look around and you will see a shiny room for you and me. Wait a minute, what's the trick? Working solo's kinda tricky. Side by side we'll do it right. Teamwork makes it super bright. T-Rex hands a toy with care. Robot folds a chair to spare. Together now, 1, 2, 3. Best cleanup team in history. Clean up, shout hooray. We made the mess all go away. T-Rex, robot, you and me. That's the cleanup victory. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Making time, don't be late. Brainykids will clean up great. If you love to sing and clean, tap subscribe and join our team. Brainykids TV is here to stay. More fun songs are on the way.